This is the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M479fdw printer. It is a smart choice for the productive office. It has got 2.4 and 5 GHz dual band wireless, able to support print, scan, copy as well as fax. So we are going to do the unboxing of this printer, take a look at its contents and connect it to our network. What you see when you open up the box is a picture of removing the printer by laying it on its side and pulling it out. Do note that this is a fairly large printer. So it's got some information leaflets, some product information. This is the limited warranty information. I think here we have got the setup poster, some support leaflets, and finally, what do we have here? This is the getting started guide. So over here we've got a host of cables, power cords from various countries, three power cords. It's got a USB cable as well as a phone cable. It looks like we have to lay the box on its side and pull out the printer. So once you have removed the printer, let's remove the tapes. Next, let us load some paper into tray 2. You load some A4 paper into tray 2. So let's slide back the guides and load in the paper. Remember to use the guides. Then close the tray. After loading the paper, let's plug the power cord into the power point at the back of the printer. Plug the other end into the wall socket. So turn on the power at the wall socket and then power on the printer by pressing the power button located over here. The printer will now power up. Upon powering up, you need to select the language. And the country we select will be Singapore. Set the date and the time as well. So this will be a self-manage. Select OK. So in order to finish the setup, we need to go online, which is 123.hp.com/laserjet. Select OK. Your printer is now set up. And it will start to do a calibration. Once the calibration is done, this is the home screen. Next, we will use the HP Smart app to connect the printer to our network. So let's start up HP Smart. So let's add our first printer. We can tap on Add Printer. It has found our M479 color LaserJet. Select that. Let's connect to our Technology Tips network. Enter the Wi-Fi password for your network. Once the Wi-Fi password is keyed in, tap on Continue. The printer is connected to Wi-Fi, and you can see that the wireless icon on the printer is also stable, no longer beaming. Let's continue. Tap on Continue. We can sign in and register our printer to enjoy the HP account benefits. So let's sign in. So the setup is complete. Let's print a document. We'll allow. Check on these two boxes and start. Tap on Print. This is a welcome page that was just printed. So for print from other devices, we'll select Not Right Now. And there, your printer is now added to HP Smart and it is connected to your network. So this is how you unbox and set up the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M479fdw printer.